What's up YouTube? This is Owen Dowell here, and today I'm going to be doing a new Zippo video. That's right, can you believe it? I'm actually doing a new Zippo video this year. What the heck? I can almost not believe it either. And I've actually got another one coming up pretty soon, so you'll want to keep an eye out on that one as well. Anyway, this one is going to be a pretty simple lighter. As you can see, nothing really too exciting about it. It does come in this white sleeve, and it is the standard Zippo black box. So yeah, without further ado, I've actually already posted a little community post about this lighter. So some of you may have actually caught note of what it was because you could see the model number in it. But for those of you who didn't, or for those of you who didn't bother to read the title, let me go ahead and show you what we're looking at. This is going to be model 49146 red iridescent matte. And actually I should say that's regular iridescent matte. That's right. This is one of Zippo's new finishes. I think this actually came out last year, so it's not new for 2020. I think this is new for 2019, but this is a very interesting and a very unique style of Zippo finish. So let's go and check it out. There it is. And as you can see right now, it looks kind of black. But you can kind of see it looks a little bit green. But as we start to turn it, you'll see that it actually looks kind of purple. As you can see. Yeah, you can see that as you kind of change the angle of this lighter, it looks like it's changing colors. Whoa, suddenly we're in a new location. Yeah, this is actually my kitchen counter. I noticed that the effect is a little bit easier to see in this lighting. So as you can see, as I turn this thing, the lighter looks purple this way, but as I kind of come around this way, you can see it transitions to this green color. Yeah, it's really interesting to look at. So yeah, check that out. You can see what it looks like on all sides. It's a really, really neat effect. So let's go ahead and take the sticker off, which we'll do right now. Boom. Ooh, a little tink at the end there. All right, behind the guarantee. And bam. So check this out. Now there's a couple things about this lighter that I actually didn't know, and I've seen videos on this and I'm surprised I didn't pick up on it. You will notice this is not a high polish finish. In fact, you remember the model number said it's a matte. And the fact of the matter is that that's actually quite true. It's a weird kind of a matte look. It's not like a standard like matte Zippo. It's actually kind of like a matted candy apple red type situation going on here. That's more what it feels like. But yeah, it's not a high polish finish like I was expecting, and like maybe many of you were probably expecting. It's actually a matted look. So if we open it, there we go. There's our insert, which you can see a little difference between high polish and not high polish. Yeah, this is a matte style Zippo. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see when this thing was made. You will notice we do have a brass, a canned brass bottom stamp. You can see this is actually made in F of this year. There's actually something interesting I'm going to get to later on in this video about that. You'll see that is F of 2020, which actually translates to being made in June of 2020. All right, so let's check out the insert. This insert will have a similar dating system on it, and this is actually a matching insert. You will see it is F of 2020. Nothing looks particularly different about this year's inserts. Same lift to fill bottom text. So that's pretty interesting. That's very loose. Never had an insert quite that loose. I mean, it doesn't really want to just like fall in. It's, interesting. Very little resistance there. So yeah, check that out. That's pretty cool. And I actually was thinking something about this lighter, and something that I might actually start doing more often with my YouTube videos is when I get a new Zippo, kind of like this one, sort of like a base model, what I think I might do is I might EDC it for a while and then sort of see how it holds up. So if you'll excuse me, I'll be right back. Boom, here we go. A lot of people always are complaining in my videos that I never light the Zippos. Well, the reason why I never light the Zippos in my videos is because Zippos don't actually come filled, as you can see. This is a brand new Zippo. I can strike it all I want and it's not gonna light because there's no fluid in it. That's because of the way that Zippos work. They're actually cotton-based lighters. They're wick-based lighters, you can actually see. There's a wick in there. And I've actually made a video on this in the past. If you have a, if you take a Zippo and you fill it and then you leave it for a couple weeks, the fluid inside is actually going to evaporate. And typically when I get a new Zippo, I don't really carry it. I kind of just collect it. But I kind of like the idea of if I get like a sort of base model like this, I should probably carry it for a while and let you guys know in a future video how it held up. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. So if I can just get this felt pad up, that will be cool. There we go, nice. I like to sort of hold it up with the lid like that. And let's get in here. Cool, break off that little bit. So let's fill this thing. I like to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I just kind of let it sit for 5 seconds. All right, you can actually see some of the wickers right there. Huh, that's interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not gonna do that. All right, and I think we can probably get away with one more, maybe a 3 second, just to be a little careful. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I think that's perfect. So let's go ahead and let's close that. And let's give her a light, shall we? Ooh, how does lighter fluid affect the look? It doesn't really cause any like erroneous like color changing to happen. Sometimes that can occur. All right, foosh. Oh, well, that was fun. Foosh. Check it out. There it is. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to be carrying this one. Now when I say carry it, I mostly just mean I'm just gonna have it with me whenever I need to go out, or if I, just am out around the house, I'll just kind of have it around me to play with. I'll probably do this for about, I don't know, we'll see. I guess until I decide that I know how I feel about the finish of the lighter and how it holds up to EDCing. So anyway, guys, I think that is going to go ahead and do it for this video. Thank you so very much for watching it. And yeah, look for some new videos from me soon. I've actually got another new Zippo that I want to show you guys that Tristan gave me. And I've got another one coming in that's really, really cool. It's not going to be one that I carry around. It's going to be one that I collect and display. But I think you're going to really like it. And I'm super excited to get it in and show it to you guys. So anyways, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you so very much for watching this video. And adios. Hello everyone, it's me. I'm sitting here at the editing booth, aka my couch, and yeah, I completely forgot to show you guys what I was getting at with the dating with the bottom stamp. So I actually made an interesting observation that I want to share with you guys. So as y'all know, Zippo makes these dating cards, and I don't know if they still include these when you send your Zippo in for repair, but they used to send these wallet-sized dating cards in with your Zippos after you get them back for repair. And on the back, you've got a dating chart. And the interesting observation that I've made about the dating codes is that if you take a look at the end of it, you'll actually notice it ends. Can you see that? Oh, it's not really focusing. There we go. If you take a look at the end of it, you will see that the last year is 2020. Ooh. Very eerie, and also very curious that Zippo decided to stop at 2020. It's almost like they knew, right? Almost like they knew what 2020 was gonna be like. So they just said, we don't need to do anything after that year. we'll just make our dating card until that year, because that's gonna be the end of the world, obviously. Well, I don't know. I don't think that the end of the world is actually gonna be 2020, but it is kind of ironic and funny to me that they decided to stop in 2020. So what do you guys think? What do you think they're gonna do for 2021? Do you think we'll see 21 as the year marker, or do you think they're gonna go back to doing some weird cryptic slash type dating system. I don't know. I personally think we're just going to continue seeing what we've been seeing. But I don't know. Some of my friends are speculating that they could change it up for 2021. What do y'all think? Anyway, that's going to do it for real. Thank you so very much for watching, and adios.